Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm on board a 2021 Key West 219 FS. This one just came available on brokerage. Really great condition. Lots of good features and upgrades. Low hours on the 175 Yamaha 4-stroke. Ready for its next owner. Just a quick walk through. I'll show you some of the key features we have on this boat. Beautiful light gray hull. This boat is bottom painted. It comes with the trailer that you see here. It's got the chrome Key West logos, white rub rail, stainless steel insert. This one's got the hard top T-top up top. Obviously with that you've got lights and speakers and the rocket launcher integrated. Got more courtesy lights. Storage. Storage for your life jackets to keep them out of the way. Also got the VHF antenna up top. Quick look at the helm here. Got a Garmin unit. This one's got just under 50 hours on it. Like I said, Garmin VHF, Clarion stereo unit. Your switches for lights and pumps. Cup holders. Tray down below for storage. Throw in your phones and sunscreen bottles. This boat does have hydraulic steering, which is a great feature. Tilting helm for different positions. Upgraded leaning post with twin bolsters. Whether you want to be leaning up against it or sitting down cruising, you can do it comfortably. You've got a nice footrest here with storage underneath. You can see the courtesy lights are on. Storage beneath. One does have trim tabs, LED indicated, as well as auto retract when you turn the key off. Got a compass up on the dash. Nice windshield. Really good looking T-top here. All the welding and everything. Whether you're fishing or cruising with the family, you got a lot of nice features on it. Obviously you've got this full beam aft bench seat. You've got storage underneath, but as well, you can remove all of the cushions if you're just fishing. We've got a live well in the center hatch. Got storage both port and starboard. We've got your raw water wash down. Quick connect hose right there. And then the switch for the pump is on the dash. We've got rod holders throughout. One straight out, one angled. Pop-up stainless cleats, as well as smaller ones for your fenders, so you don't have to steal the space on that. It'll be strictly for your dock lines. Got more storage right here. Insulated for when you're anchored up. You can have a little cooler back there, so you don't have to climb in and out of the boat. More rod holders here. Nice handle for getting up from the bench. This is something I really like on this boat. Pull out big igloo on tracks and rollers. Make it easy to grab a drink. Moving forward, you'll see that this boat does have nice bolsters throughout. Upholstery's in great shape. Got rod holders under the gunnels on both sides. Battery switch right here. 219 FS. FS is forward seating. and this boat is equipped with it. Really comfortable seats here. You've got storage underneath all of them. Obviously, all of these cushions are removable, and they're kept off the boat to maintain their cleanliness and integrity. Second anchor here is your bow anchor, and then the stern anchor is kept in here, but both of these are insulated, so they're used as fish boxes. Nice size as well, also nice and clean. You've got cup holders, nice handrail here for when you're sitting down, removable backrests. So if you wanted to, you could remove all of the cushions down below. You could either stow them in the console or throw them in the garage. This one does have a porta potty in the console and more storage. Plenty of room in here. Like I said, this boat does come with the trailer that you see. I'll hop down and show you the exterior of the boat. Port side has this retractable boarding ladder. Sits flush with the deck right here. And you also have a little door to lock into place, whether you're boarding or running. You can keep that closed or leave it open so people can get on the boat easier. Hope to show you the shine of the hull because it is really in great shape. It's a beautiful boat, really nice color scheme. Got some good photos of the exterior and the interior, but the video sometimes does it all. Tandem axle, aluminum bunk trailer. In great shape, hardly used. This boat is ready for its next owner. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell. Cell number is 239-249-4345. Once again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2021 Key West 219 FS, loaded with options. You can see the underwater lights from here now. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.